Hey guys, it's Dr. Devin. Welcome to week number 3, where we are talking the letter C. It's a big one. It is a total game changer. If it's one word, if it's one concept, if it's one gift that has truly transformed my life, saved my life, poured into my life, enhanced my life, it's this one. This is a big one. I have been waiting to get into this. I can't wait to share with you. Come on in. Let's play. Let us see. Hey guys, it's Dr. Devin. Welcome into week number 3. We are taking a 6-month journey just to refresh what I'm even doing here. We're taking the ABCs 1 week at a time, one concept at a time for 26 weeks. We're going to look at different ways that we can supercharge your health and your happiness and little bite-sized nibbles of ways to add and subtract and play with your own life to get the results and the outcomes that you've been looking for. So week number 1, we talked about awareness and attention, where thoughts go, energy flows, puts you in the driver's seat, puts you in the captain of your ship, the creator of your destiny, because we can always control our thoughts and our emotions. So I loved that one. Total game changer. Last week I talked about birth and babies. I got 5 beautiful little gifts of life that I've grown inside my body, and I'm sharing my own birth stories on my blog, and that's been such a beautiful gift because it's just giving gratitude for the gift of being alive and looking back at how I made my own entrance into the world and just the different levels and reflection of what we've come from. 2 little cells all the way to where this video finds you right now. So those 2 I love. And week number 3 is chiropractic, which I am so supercharged about. I'm a chiropractor, so of course I'm gonna be a little biased on this one, but I hope you lean into this video because I'd like to talk about some concepts that are maybe a little outside of the box that people typically understand chiropractic from. Most people that I meet when I'm traveling or meet a total stranger or talk to a family and friend and I say, oh, what do you do? They say, what do you do? And I say, I'm a chiropractor. Guess what they do? Oh yeah, like it's pain related. People, I think as a society, we get that chiropractic has pretty good track record, really great results and outcomes when it comes to naturally helping support people that are going through neck pain, back pain, extremity issues, wrists, hips, knees, feet, headaches. If there's pain symptoms, chiropractic has a lot of evidence-based research to support that we get good results. Go chiropractic. It's a huge thing. Now I want to take you a little bit deeper, dive into that, because I didn't grow up in a chiropractic family. I didn't actually get adjusted until I went to chiropractic school. I believe destiny brought me to that moment, which I'll be going through later down this little 6-month course. But chiropractic has been a total game changer in my life, in my children's lives, in my family's life, because of the philosophy and the foundation of what it is. So we'll rewind, going back, what I learned in the orientation that drew me into chiropractic in the first place. I sat in this room where they were talking about these basic foundations of what chiropractic is. Dr. Carl Cleveland at Cleveland University, he's a 3rd-generation chiropractor. He's been literally in the profession since a lot of its inception days. And he was talking about the body's intelligent. The body knows how to heal itself. How to not add anything or that something's broken and needs fixed, but how we can support and align the body and, instead of like putting things from the outside in, really tapping into that beautiful superpower that we already have and shining it brighter so that the body can heal, come back to a state of ease, and really get moving and maximize its potential. So that's why I want to talk to you about the chiropractic lifestyle. So a lot of people know if you get adjusted, it can relieve symptoms. But that portion of my profession is really the same as you can get from other professions, where I think we're starkly different and where a lot of you may not know. And I invite you in, and if you need a chiropractic referral, please reach out to me. I travel all over the world. I know chiropractors everywhere. I will hook you up with magic hands where you're at, because I don't get adjusted anymore because something's wrong. I get checked and adjusted regularly, just like I rotate the tires on my car or change the oil or trim my hair or do the regular maintenance things, because I want more. I want to express my full life potential. And the chiropractic adjustment brings the physical body, the mental body, the emotional body back to center in full alignment to restore ease within the system so that it can begin to thrive again. I mean, hello, like who wants that, right? I know that a lot of people out there, if you ask yourself, like, how energetic have you been? You just evaluate your physical, mental, emotional life, and what do you need more of? Sometimes we can't even mentally think clearly. I'm gonna actually do a bonus segment this week. I'm gonna do a second video that I'm gonna release on Thursday, because I want to talk about mental health and chiropractic and what it can do for you in mental and emotional balance. But I'm not doing that today. Today I'm just talking about the basics of what it is we do as chiropractors. I supercharge people's systems. I allow them to express full light and potential. I do not add anything. I do not take anything away. I restore proper alignment, and I allow that innate intelligence to begin to flow within their bodies. Who wants some of that? Anybody? Come on, talk to me. I know some of you out there have felt the benefits, felt the miracles. Please share them in the comments, because so many people have misconceptions and fears and artificial opinions in their heads that they've gotten from generations. Let's break that down. Let's show people what chiropractic really is. Please share your stories, because I'm a chiropractor and I know it'll get dismissed because it looks like I'm biased. But guys, I just want people to experience the miracles that I've experienced over and over and over again. At the start of this video, I said it saved my life. It's totally, totally true. After my third birth, which I'm gonna release next week, the story of Magnolia and Phoenix, I was going through a deep, dark time in my life. There was a lot swirling, and I'll get into that. And I grew 2 humans. I was able to give birth, but it came with a lot of physical trauma and challenge. And I was literally in disconnect physically and emotionally, and didn't have the mental clarity. And if I wasn't getting checked and adjusted regularly and restoring that alignment and ease within my system, I really don't know where I'd be. And so we're all human. We all have the same types of emotions, types of challenges, types of struggles, and this is just a light in some of the dark times that can really show you through. It's such a good support. It tunes you back into your body, and it's for everyone. That's the other piece I want to drop on here before I leave you. Half of my practice is babies and kids. It's totally safe. I've poured out hundreds of hours into learning with my heart and my head and my hands about how to serve the prenatal, postnatal, pediatric world. Why would we wait? A spine is a spine. We get one from the get-go. A nervous system is a nervous system. We get it from before we even get out into the world. Our nervous system is activated, and we want to support that. So I want to open up that conversation as well, as that chiropractic is safe. It's necessary. It's such a huge advantage and game changer and support for the children in our world. I believe wholeheartedly if every single child was checked and adjusted, this world, their health outcomes, the pediatric trends that we're watching go, I'm sorry to say, in the wrong direction, we could re-steer this course, and I think chiropractic is a piece of that story. It's a necessary change. Clearly, I got a lot in there, but if you have ask me. I would love to tell you. I check and adjust my own kids at least once a week. We can talk more about how it benefits their outcomes. And I'll share a picture down in the comments of just your autonomic nervous system in general, so it can give you a visual for my visual people out there of like, what is she talking about? Why would a child need to be adjusted? It's a big concept. I'm gonna do a big blog post on it. I'm gonna share more resources, and I do mean it. devinvrana@gmail.com. All you gotta do is message me and say, hey, I'm in this zip code. I know I wanna try a chiropractor, but I don't know what to look for or who to look for. Ask me for a referral. I will hook you up. We will find you one. Get in this lifestyle. I'll be back on Thursday. We're gonna elaborate some more. If you got questions, tag it. C is gonna turn into D next week. D is another one that I'm like crazy excited for. Guys, it's little changes. If you got adjusted, if you added an adjustment into your lifestyle, I personally guarantee you with my entire heart and soul that your life will be different. Your life will be better physically, emotionally, mentally. Go see a chiropractor. Get it in your life. Make it a part of your wellness routine. I love and appreciate you. I'll be seeing you soon.